Are you planning to start your IoT journey? Do you already have a use case in mind? Then you're in the right place. We understand it is not easy to navigate through the entire IoT stack on your own. There are many questions to get started with, like which cloud platform to use, how to get automatic alarm notifications, and will I be able to visualize my data and perform analytics on my own? More importantly, Bridgera can help choose which sensor or device to select for a particular use case. Haven't finalized the plan for your device yet? Want to know if there is already an off-the-shelf solution available? We have answers to all of your questions and concerns. At Bridgera, we have been helping customers like yourself build next-generation connected solutions for a variety of industries. Don't waste time. Bridgera's unique rapid prototyping technique will create a working model within a week or two. We create a digital simulation to demonstrate your solution even without needing the physical device. Take advantage of Bridgera's free workshop to jumpstart your IoT journey today. How does it work? It's very simple. Once we receive your request, one of our IoT experts will call you to discuss your IoT ambitions. We will invite you for a 1-hour session with our implementation team to finalize the plan for your prototype. With our team's experience, we can create your prototype within a week or two, after which you will have a month of free access to demo the solution. How will this workshop help me? You will get a chance to interact with Bridgera's IoT experts and gain real experience building an IoT solution. Our experts have years of experience with implementing connected solutions for various industries, such as healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and senior care. The workshop will also help you think through the types of challenges you may encounter when implementing the full-scale project. You will be able to get hands-on experience with the prototype solution before committing to the full-scale development. That way, you can demonstrate the workflow to your peers, management, and potential investors, and gain valuable feedback while it is still early in the planning stage. So why wait? Register for free and catapult your organization into a connected future.